Good morning, everybody. Question number 7 is about how photosynthesis affects the rock deposition. So first, it's quite complicated. First, you think about what happened in photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, the carbon dioxide is converted to oxygen, and you think about how the oxygen affects the rock deposition. The oxygen reacted with iron and become rust. And the rust is the color of red orange or red brown. So after the oxygen photosynthesis, the rock deposition will show the color of red brown, so the color changes before and after that. So the answer is D. Thank you.